Hello, boys and girls. This is third grade Excel lesson number 82. We're going to learn to solve fractional part word problems. And you have to know how many quarters there are in a dollar and half dollars there are in a dollar today. That's it. Here we go. Read along with me. Make sure you're reading on the screen here and staying with me. 3/5 is written as 3/5. That's how you say that right there. 3/5. This is said as 7/13. See, 7 on the top, 13 on the bottom. 7/13. Now let's read our first problem. Here we go. Tom has 5 ties. Here's his 5 ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3/5 of them are brown. I wonder if I have brown. Nope, I don't have any brown in here. Well, we'll just go like this. 3/5 of them are brown. That means that one's brown, and that one's brown. How many ties does he have? What? How many? Oh, brown ties. Wait, I read that wrong. How many brown ties does he have? Well, 3/5 means that 3 out of the total group of 5 ties are brown. Therefore, the answer is 3 brown ties. 7/13 means that 7 of them are whatever. 3/5 means that 3 of them are whatever they're talking about, or 3 brown ties. 3 blind mice. See how they run. Okay, number 1. Luann has 7 hats. 2/7 of them are black. How many black hats does she have? See if you can write the answer right here before I tell you the answer. Pause the video if you need to. All right, so you should have written, don't listen to the answer unless you have it written down. 2 hats. Ooh, that's pretty hard, isn't it? Or 2 black hats is fine. Okay, pause the video, read number 2, and then turn the video back on when you have the solution. You should have read this as Alexis has 5 jackets. 3/5 of them are green. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's her 5 jackets. 3/5 are green. How many? How many jackets does she have? I bet a bunch of you wrote 3 for the answer. It doesn't say green jackets. It just says jackets. It's a trick question. 5 jackets. Erase the 3 and change it to a 5. I see your paper. You wrote it wrong. You got tricked. Okay. So, read this problem now and then try it and write the answer down here. Don't get tricked. Pause the video. Nick had 9 books. He gave 5/9 of them away. How many books did he give away? 5/9. He gave away 5 books then. He didn't give away 5/9 books. He gave away 5 books. Okay, pause the video and do number 4. Here we go. You should have already done it. Lucas has 8 shirts. 3/8 of them are blue. How many blue shirts does he have? You got to read it carefully. Blue shirts, blue. So that means that there are 3 blue shirts. 3 blue shirts. See how they run. Okay, number 5. See if you can pause the video and write how many quarters there are in a dollar. All right, you should have already done this and guessed at least. 4 quarters make a dollar. 25, 50, 75, $1. Now pause the video and write how many half dollars there are in a dollar. Okay, I bet some of you wrote 50. There's not 50 half, they're worth 50 cents, but how many 50 cents are there in a dollar? There's 2 half dollars that make up a dollar. All right, pause the video, do both of these problems right here, and then turn the video back on when you have the answers, and you added up the check answer. Did you remember to add up the check answer? Amanda has 10 cats. 3/10 of them are gray. How many gray cats does she have? 3/10 means that she has 3 gray cats. I'm just going to write 3 cats. Galvin has 6 birds. 3/6 of them are yellow. How many birds? Did you write 3? It doesn't ask how many yellow birds. It just says birds. 6 birds. See, if you didn't get it to add up, then maybe that's why. 3 plus 6 is equal to 9. All right, solve these times tables problems Pause the video while you're doing it. Turn it back on when you're done. 12 times 4, you should have gotten 48, because 2 times 4 is 8, and 1 times 4 is 4. 9 times 2 is 18. 4 times 5 is 20. 3 times 8 is 24. 2 times 7 is 14. 9 times 5 is 45. 5 times 7, 35. And 9 times 3 is 27. And that